Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Nacho by Good Move. Today we're going to be learning the song Tum Tak. So let's go. So before we dive into the choreography, keep in mind few things. So first is that you can pause at any time, rewind, learn the step and then move forward. Another thing to keep in mind is that you can learn the step first, then you can revisit the entire tutorial and focus more on the body language and expressions that have been discussed. Okay, now let's get started. So when we begin, first we start with ik tak na tak. How do we do that? First we place our right leg at the back and bring our body down. Now from here we go 1, 2. So my hand is like this. My index finger is out. All the other fingers are folded very softly. Now I bring this down and bring it forward. So down and forward. So when we do that, we also bring our body down and take it forward. From there, we go left, right, left, right. So you took your right hand, brought it forward, also do a nod at the end. Then we go left, right, left, right. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, take both the hands up and cross. While you crossing and bringing it down, you also bring your body down. 1. Now from here, take your right hand forward and go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So you take your right hand forward and go 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's the pointy finger again. Bring it forward and then you say no, 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 no. And you also take your head 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay? After we're done with that, we go gum sum nazuk nazuk. So what is happening here? The right leg, we'll keep tapping 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? So each time we lift the leg, we bring our knee down a bit. Then we place and bring it back up. So the right leg is tapping 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So left hand is extended out. Right hand will scoop in 4 times. So scoop in like this. Scoop. 2, 3, 4. So fix 4 points here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will trace those points. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Once you've finished 4, you bring your hand in as if someone's splashing water at you. Okay? So with the leg, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you're done with that, take your right hand. First touch your left cheek, then the right cheek. So when you touch your left cheek, your head goes to the other side. Again, the same on the next side. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 and 2. Now let's see this entire part together. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go! Good job. Now let's move forward. So we are here. From here we go. Dil se hum tum. How do we do that? So from here, so the right leg is at the back right now. Take the right leg and place it forward. One more time. Take the right leg and place it forward. And while you do that, you also bring your right hand forward. So you go 1. Now bring your left hand forward. Take the right hand on top and left at the bottom and go 1 and 2. So what's happening here? Left hand is coming here. Right hand is going all the way in, out and on the right side of your head. Okay? So you go 1 and 2. From here, take the left hand, bring it forward and in. So when you bring it forward, also take your chin forward and take it in. Now you take a simple turn like this. So you go दिल से हम तुम Super. The next part is tom 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 tom. So how do we do that? The right leg will keep tapping on the side like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay? For 5, you're extending your leg and stretching towards the right. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands would be clap 2, 3, 4 and 5. So for 5, you're extending. So you have to make sure that while you're clapping, your hands are away from your body. Don't take it too close. Keep it away and don't hide your face. Bring your elbow down in such a way that your face is visible. So we go tap, 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 tap and extend. Very nice. Now after that, we go Chabuk naina maro, maro tum. So how do we do that bit? So let's see. First, we place our right leg forward and left leg at the back. Okay, very simple. Right forward and left at the back. From here, with the same hands that we used in the beginning, for this, we are taking that from up to down. Okay, so it's like you're drawing a line through the center of your face. Okay, now from here, we're going to peep out and wink and then come back. How do we do that? Step, 2, peep, wink and come back. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's Chabuk naina maro, maro tum. After this, we go tum, 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 tum. Let's see how that goes. First, we take our right leg to this side and then the left. So hands, right hand extended towards the left while the right leg is here and the opposite. Okay? So right hand and right leg, but the hand will extend to the opposite side. So you go 1 and 2. From here, tap twice and face back. While you're tapping, take your hands from below your ear and bring it in. So you go 1 and 2. One more time. Do it with me. 1 and 2. Now from here, take your right leg and step forward. Right leg, step forward and bring the left leg on the toes. Your hands, right hand will be here on top and left will be at the bottom. So once you turn, you go 1, 2, right on top and left at the bottom. Perfect. Now let's see till here with the music. Let's go. So mark the steps from the beginning and this part we'll do it along. 5, 6, 7, go. Amazing. Let's move ahead now. So we finished at this. From here we go. Maro na naina tum. Maro na naina tum. Okay. So from here, turn towards this side. Okay. Hand out. Left hand will be out. Take your right hand and go 1 and 2. So just for you to see, I'll show it forward. You go down and near the eye. Okay. So while you're doing it, you also lower your body 1 and 2. Very nice. Now take your right leg and bring it forward. While you're bringing it forward, again the same movement that we did before. 1, 2. Now close both the hands and bring it from top to bottom and look forward. So you are here, you bring the hands forward like this, close it, down and look up. Very nice. Now next part is tum tak chala hu tum tak chalunga tum tak mila hu tum tak milunga tum. Very nice. Now let's see how that goes. First you take your right leg back, tap your left and then go 1, 2, 3. So what's happening is right is placed at the back, left forward, you do a tap, then take the right leg, tap on the side and left, right. Again on this side, left at the back, tap the right and go 1, 2, 3. So let's do that 4 times. We go right, left, 1, 2, 3 and left, right, 1, 2, 3 and right, left, 1, 2, 3 and left, right, 1, 2, 3. Hands are very simple. You bring both the hands in like this, palm facing up and out, up. Okay. So when you're going towards the right, you go in and right hand up. When you're going towards the left, you go in and left hand up. So how do we do that? Right, left, and 1, 2, 3, and left, right, and 1, 2, 3, and right, left, 1, 2, 3, and left, right, 1, 2, 3. So we end here. From here we go tum tak chala hu tum tak chalunga tum tak mila hu tum tak milunga tum tak. Okay, so how does that go? So we take a spin by tapping. So tap your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. So pause at each side. So you go right, back, left and forward. Okay, while you do that, bring your hands out, in and flip the hands. So you go scoop out, take it in and up. So how do we do that with the turning? We go 1, 2, 3, 4. So while doing it fast, it will look something like 1, 2, 3, 4. Once we're done with that, we go side 2, 3, 4. So right, left in, left and right in. So the whichever leg comes second will go on the toe like this. Okay. So hands will be extend and bring it in, extend and bring it in. First you will take your hands towards the left side and bring it in from the right. So 1, in, 2, in. So let's do that one more time. Extend towards the left, bring it in. Extend towards the right and bring it in. After that, we step out with our leg, right leg, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, so step and go 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your head along with your hands. 3, 4. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, bring your leg in. So your right leg, which is extended now, will come in next to the left like this. So from here, we're going to take your right hand up and place it on the left. And then you shrug your shoulders one by one. Right, left. And we've come to the end of the choreography. Let's try the second part together.
चला हूँ तुम तक चलूंगा तुम तक मिल
You did an absolutely amazing job. So like I said, keep practicing and let's meet in the next video. Bye-bye.
चलूंगा तुम तक, मिला हूँ तुम तक, मिलूंगा तुम तक, चला हूँ तुम तक, चलूंगा तुम तक, मिला